Hi guys, it's your girl Amarie from Amarie Lace Wig. This is a bodysuit that I made, guys, and I'm not gonna turn around because I do not have the stockings that I want to have on. But if you guys follow Fashion Nova, they have a lot of these tassel things like that going on. But I actually ordered the stockings from China, and they're the stockings is the fishnet type stockings. But if you guys can see, it's the crushed velvet. I just made this bodysuit, guys. I got a lot more that I'm doing to it. I'm in the process of finishing it up. It's the crushed velvet, guys, but I'm talking about I truly love this bodysuit, guys. I love it. And I got on these little sequence boots, but guys, I will put this on with these leggings that I got coming from China. So you put the leggings on, you wear them like stockings, and you put the bodysuit on top, and then it kind of covers up. But I'm not gonna turn around, guys. But if you guys follow a lot of stuff from Fashion Nova and Angel Brinks, so Angel Brinks make a lot of bold pieces like this, and I'm truly in love with Angel Brinks stuff. But I'm waiting on those leggings to come from China, and then I put it on. And to be honest, I don't know where I will wear this to, but I'm just creating a lot of my bold pieces. I love Angel Brinks and Gucci Man's wife stuff, but this is that crushed velvet, guys. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye bye.